What's good, y'all? It's Fresco BK, and Stadium Goods is open in 2 locations. So if you're in Manhattan, pull up to 47 Howard Street. If you're in Chicago, pull up to 60 East Walton Street and tell them that Fresco sent you. But today I've got a very special unboxing of the Nike SB Dunk Low Stars pack. I know y'all want to see what that's looking like, so say less with all this talking. Yo, let's get straight to these shoes. The story that has created an everlasting love between the hype beasts and sneaker lovers all at the same time. So we've already went down the history of Nike and Supreme. Nike starting in '64, Supreme coming 30 years later in '94, but the cement or the foundation of their relationship starts with Nike SB back in 2002 with the release of the Nike SB Supreme Dunk Low White Cement and Black Cement. During the very next year in 2003, Supreme released their second set of dunks, this time coming in 3, releasing separately but simultaneously. All 3 featured the croc skin overlay with the star underlay, and they came in 3 colors. That's red, blue, and orange. So this orange one is originally from 2003, but we've seen several releases from Nike and Supreme since then with the Air Max 98, the Sub-Tempo, more dunks, even the foam posits, just to name a few. Now at the end of the first quarter of 2021, we get the return with the height and color twist. Sounds like a salon vibe, but let's get straight to the 2021 Nike SB Dunk Low Supreme Stars pack. And here we have the box top. Please let me know what you guys think in the comments, but just so you know, all 4 pairs come in the purple Nike SB box, just an FYI. So let's get to these shoes though, and here we have the Nike SB Dunk Low Supreme Stars pack. So this shoe, like I said, comes in 4 colorways: the Barkroot brown, the Hyper Royal, the Mean Green, and also the Black White. So you can see by looking at all 4 pairs, they stay true to the original details except for high and low and the colorway differences. So Barkroot brown, Hyper Royal, Mean Green, and black. So, you know, I love royal blue. I also love green. You guys already know green is my favorite color, and I'm pretty sure you expect me to pick up the green one, but nah, we're gonna go with the royal. So the details mirror each other on each. We have the white perforation in that toe box area. Of course, the golden Supreme lace lock, black laces, and this one has the royal blue or hyper blue croc skin overlay. Of course, the mid panel there with those golden stars on the outer panel and also the inner panel. We have the white midsole, and then we have the royal outsole, and each set of shoes features a second set of laces. So we have the Hyper Royal right here. We have the Barkroot brown, or as I like to call this one, Ron Burgundy, right here. We have the Mean Green with the extra set of green laces here. And then we also have the black with the additional set of white laces. And let's not forget about the tongue. Features the fat SB tongue. We have that golden Nike detailing there. And also on the back panel features the gold detailing, and that is on each pair. It is gold detailing on the tongue and the back panel of each pair of these dunks. And I can't really decide which one is my favorite right now because I actually like all 4 of them, but if I'm leaning towards one, because I always have to pick one, I may actually go with this Barkroot brown. The Barkroot, or the Burgundy, like Ron Burgundy as I like to call it, this one looks like it would look good with several different fits, but they all would probably look good with several different fits. And we have all 4 pairs right here available. Well, not right here, but at Stadium Goods, located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, or 60 East Walton Street if you're in Chicago. So jump in the comments and let me know what you think and which one is your favorite out the pack. But yes, we have all 4, so make sure if you can make it to the store, visit stadiumgoods.com, follow us on all social media platforms, or make sure you download the Stadium Goods app available on iOS and on Android, because we update the app daily with kicks, fits, and apparel, all from Stadium Goods. So I am Fresco BK. This has been the Nike SB Dunk Low Stars Supreme pack. Salute.